Hello everyone, myself BHANU PRATAP, your science biology teacher. Today I am delivering a very important topic which is called photosynthesis. To learn what is photosynthesis, what it means, how it occurs, and furthermore discussing about photosynthesis. As we all know, in this universe, two types of organisms, two types of things exist. The first one is living and the second one is non-living. Living things are what is living things, what is non-living things. We're discussing about these topics in this topic. Okay. In this universe, things which require nutrition, which require gaseous, which requires energy to occurs any type of metabolism is called living things, and those things which do not require these all stuff for their survival is called non-living things. As we all know, in this universe, plants and animals is placed in living things. So animal and plants both require nutrition and gases for their survival, for their metabolism in the body. We humans and animals get the nutrition and energy from our food. We eat, then breakdown of that food particle produces energy, and we utilize this energy for making our daily life processes. But how could a plant get energy? How could a plant get nutrition for their survival, for their metabolism? Then the topic photosynthesis comes in our mind. What it means? A process in plants by which they make their food. A short definition of photosynthesis: a process in plants by which they make their food. We humans are heterotroph. We get our food from plants and animals, but a plant cannot move. Plant is a still body. How could it get nutrition? It stable in soil, gets water and minerals from the soil, get oxygens from the atmosphere, get sunlight from the sun, and having a chlorophyll. You for the those in high classes study deeply about photosynthesis, but now we can say plant requires water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and having chlorophyll. For making their food, plant requires water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and having chlorophyll. We all knows about that plant leaves having chlorophyll. That is the color of plant leaves is green. You know the reason of plant leaves greenness is chlorophyll, a pigment which used in photosynthesis. Okay, so look here. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll. Then when these all stuff systemized in a time in the plant cell, performs a process called photosynthesis. The result of photosynthesis is some products, which is the system in by which plant gets energy. The result of photosynthesis is glucose and oxygen. Glucose and oxygen. Okay, so plants are autotroph, animals are heterotroph. we can get our food from any animal, from any plant, but plant cannot get their food, get their energy from any type of things. They itself make their food in their body by the process is called photosynthesis. For the process photosynthesis, they require carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll. In daylight, in day, plants get sunlight, plant cells have chlorophyll, get carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, get water from the soil, and this system is performs a process called photosynthesis, and the result of photosynthesis is glucose and oxygen. Glucose is the substance which utilized as a food, and this oxygen elaborated in the atmosphere for further uses, as we use, animal uses oxygen for the survival. So I hope you understand the topic photosynthesis. What is, we will be getting a process in plants by which they make their food. It's called photosynthesis. Plants are autotroph. They do not depend on any type of organism for their food. Plant requires carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll for their preparation of food. It is a biochemical process. It is a biochemical process because in which photosynthesis, the plants uses photo means light and producing some type of food. You know what I'm talking about? In this process, plants use photo means light. Photo means light. Plant use photo. Plant uses light and synthesize some type of chemical food. That's why we call it is a biochemical process, biochemical metabolism. So this is the brief knowledge about photosynthesis, how a plant requires something and producing something like their food material. Okay, and this food further utilizes and produces energy in plant body, and that energy utilize for the metabolism, that regeneration, reproduction, grow, all about this. Thank you. I hope you understand this. Thank you.